Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore the hidden world of machine downtime and its massive impact on industries globally. This is a must-watch for those in maintenance or operations teams seeking to gain an edge over the competition. You will learn the importance of understanding and addressing downtime effectively, the significant role of computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, and the surprising truth about downtime in certain industries. Let's get started. Welcome to today's video where we dive deep into the world of machine downtime and its staggering impact on businesses across various industries. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, this is crucial information that could help you stay ahead of the competition by understanding and mitigating downtime effectively. Let's start by looking at some eye-opening statistics. A recent study by ServiceMax found that 82% of companies experienced problems with unplanned downtime. What's more, achieving zero unplanned downtime is a top priority for 72% of these companies. Surprisingly, over half of all companies do not fully understand or are unaware of when their equipment needs maintenance. The cost associated with downtime? It's a staggering $260,000 per hour across all industries. Now, focusing on the manufacturing sector, a study from ITIC reports that 98% of organizations say a single hour of downtime costs them over $100,000. On average, manufacturers deal with up to 800 hours of downtime annually. With approximately 295,643 plants in the United States, you can imagine the massive economic impacts. Switching gears to the fleet industry, consider this. The average truck driver covers 45,000 miles per year, and for every 10,000 miles on average, a truck breaks down or requires maintenance, costing up to $760 per day. Annually, downtime could cost the fleet industry upwards of $123 billion. But what causes machine downtime? Three major factors include a lack of awareness about the company's machines, a lack of proactive behavior, and resistance to organizational change. About 70% of companies lack awareness of when their equipment needs maintenance. Furthermore, companies often disregard 98% of the data they have, which could help predict and prevent potential issues. Understanding the long-term effects of equipment downtime is like observing the ripples caused by a stone thrown into a pond. To truly grasp the impact, companies need to dive into the data, looking at everything from how much downtime a particular piece of equipment causes over its life cycle to the effects on customers when essential machines break down. This is where computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, come into play. These systems, equipped with sensors, can hook into your central database, saving time and improving data accuracy. They help uncover the costs associated with each hour of downtime, providing crucial insights for your team. Now let's talk about some real-world, real-time examples of machine downtime. In the summer of 2017, a small snippet of code known as NotPetya crashed the world's largest shipping conglomerate, Maersk. The estimated cost to Maersk was about $300 million, but the total global impact was much more. Similarly, power outages in the US alone are a significant source of downtime, with industry sources estimating that between $22 billion to $135 billion would be needed annually to overhaul the system. Lastly, it's important to understand the assumptions we make about downtime. While generally seen as negative, certain industries may actually need machine downtime to function at productive levels. Companies need to evaluate the impacts of machine downtime on their operations and ecosystems before making any decisions. In conclusion, machine downtime is a significant challenge that many companies face. By understanding its causes, effects, and by implementing effective maintenance strategies, companies can significantly reduce downtime, saving potentially millions of dollars. Remember, for want of a nail, a kingdom was lost, but Rome wasn't built in a day. Patience and proactive maintenance are key. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the world of machine downtime, its impacts, causes, and the role of CMMS in managing it. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Your journey to understanding and mitigating downtime effectively starts here. Thank you again, and remember, proactive maintenance is the key to success.